Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice here. Many clients asking, do we have HD-less version hair closure, and today let me show you it. We have, and let me show you the example. This is a Chinese raw version closure, HD 5x5 with 14 inches hair. Look at the hair. This is completely single donor Chinese hair, and each and every strand are very much clean, and the color is pretty pure. See how is the hair, the shyness and the luster of the hair. And this is a HD-less. It's also melting with any type of complexion, and the hair thickness is pretty nice, pretty good. And also coming to the knotting part, as we said, we all have small knotting. We never had a big knotting technology, so usually our closures takes more time, longer time to customize. You see a lot of big knotting products, actually that kind of products spending a very less time, maybe one day can complete, so the cost is lower, but knot is ugly and not secure. It may cause shedding and not realistic just when you wear it. And we have very small knotting and very well knotted. And let's take a look at this hair. This hair can be bleached to color 613 without any problem. So if you like bleaching the hair, coloring the hair, you can take this closure with our Chinese raw virgin hair bundle, and it's completely compatible and bleachable to any type of color beautifully, to 613 or any other color you want. It will working perfectly for any coloring, and great thickness, best hair, and well knotted. So if you want the best quality HD-less closure, feel free to contact us or just place your order on our website. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.